Hey, how's it going, guys? Asad here, and you're gonna learn about typed array for each. So this is not different from the array for each method. It's just same as that. So let me show you. What we're gonna do is um, create a function. Name it as a log array elements. Now what we're gonna do is inside that we will pass a parameter called element, comma, pass a parameter called index. After that we will pass array as a parameter. Then what we're gonna do is log it on a console. First make a and slash, and then we will concatenate the index, then again concat the another slash and say equals. And the other thing we're gonna do is concatenate the element itself. When we do that, after that what we're gonna do is create a new typed array, and by using new operator and the constructor method. 8 pass an array. I'm gonna pass an array of number. Now what we're gonna do, use the for each method. So first let me tell you about this. What for each method does, it gonna take each and one of them and gonna execute that function. So for each, and we'll pass the function log elements array. When you do that, oh, there is a uncut what it is, let me see. Oh, sorry about that. Here it would be array. Yeah, and when we do that, it's gonna show a0 equals 0, a1 equals 1, up to a3 equals 3. So this is what it does. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.